PEIDUO Halloween decorations, 2FT black Halloween tree. Elevate your Halloween spirit with the PEIDUO 2FT black Halloween tree, adorned with 24 enchanting purple lights and 8 playful bat ornaments. This tree creates a unique indoor decoration, perfect for desks and tables. It's bendable. Branches feature a glittery black bark, allowing you to shape them creatively. The convenient timer function saves battery life by lighting up for 6 hours, then turning off automatically for 18 hours. Powered by 3RR batteries, not included. This hassle-free decor fits seamlessly into any space, from living rooms to kitchens. Add your own flair by swapping out the bats for other festive ornaments.